Why we do recommend to apply our Genius patented devices? We recommend to apply our patented Genius devices to permanently eliminate the noise caused by the general movement of chairs and furniture. These are long-lasting chairs feet pads that won't need to be replaced, as you now need to do with the classic old pads. They adapt themselves to all types of flooring, even the most delicate ones, and all kinds of furniture, chairs, tables, armchairs, sofas, beds, everything you need to handle with difficulty, scratching the floor and causing an annoying noise. They also adapt themselves to all kinds of furniture and to every size and shape of the legs, round, square, rectangular, or oval. Have a look to the advantages you will get once applied. Why our chairs feet pads are different from those already in the market. They are spring-loaded. The springing is obtained thanks to a patented system equipped with special springs that get adapted to the weight of your furniture. When you sit, your weight crushes the balls and the foot is fixed to the floor. This way the chair doesn't slide anymore and the foot is not dragged, neither ruined. Once you get up, the spring gets discharged and the chair slides easily and quietly. To apply it to wooden legs, all you need is a small domestic screwdriver with a 2.5 tip, or just a cross-edge screwdriver, always 2.5 tip. If by chance you don't have it, we can send it to you with our do-it-yourself kit. You have to make just one hole, not too deep, in the center of the foot of the chair leg and immediately screw the foot to the bottom. Please note, the screw must be completely screwed, otherwise the spring may not work properly. To apply them to metal legs, you must remove any old plugs with pliers and insert ours by pressing, as it's equipped with flexible pins suitable for chairs with hollow metal legs.